Seems like every day is something else, another reason to be stressing.
And you just wanna run away. Said you just wanna run away.
Try to get out and enjoy yourself, but everybody's like it's so depressing.
And you just wanna run away. Yeah. Said you just wanna run away.
So we about to hop up on this body, get up out of here.
Don't like it. I am in the Mexican Heritage Plaza, about to have PCN, and some bitch just slapped me.
Take to the sky, everything is fine. 'Cause we ain't even on that tonight. We on a page and we can lose our money in and out of places tonight. And everything is alright. 'Cause we ain't even on that tonight. We on a planet where the rain
Ay, ¿dónde está?
everything is alright.
My favorite experience was probably learning all the choreo that we've done and making friends along the way. And finally tonight, during the whole performance, we played Locked Out of Heaven by Bruno Mars for the intro. That was really fun.
My favorite experience is probably meeting a lot of new people. Since I'm a freshman, I don't know that many people, so being in FY and PCN helped me meet lots of different people. Yay!
Meeting new people, creating friendships, and then like we form like a family that you know that there'll always be people with you, and then there's like a place that'll always be like stress relief. So that's really nice.
Seeing everybody change.
I think my favorite part of being a part of PCN
The experience.
was doing a lot of the aspects of choir, modern, cultural, and also being behind the scenes, putting together PCN as I'm the treasurer of Aquarian. So
my favorite experience of being PCN and in the making of it is just being able to meet all these people and coming close to them and whatnot, like my cast members. It's just, I don't know, it's something that I wouldn't take for granted.
So I think my favorite part about doing PCN was probably making all those friends and meeting new people and learning more about my culture in general. You know, learning how to do some of the tribal dances, the mountain dances, and learning about, you know, barrio and maracay.
So my favorite experience of the making of PCN was having the opportunity to direct for Modern and meeting the love of my life, Jeremy Blanco.
I'm gonna do this because I didn't get to do it with you guys after the curtain closed yesterday because I was stuck outside saying special thanks to people. So let's go. I feel so good, like I knew I would. I feel so good. Let's get it again. I feel so good, like I knew I would. I feel so good. Just the ladies.
I feel so good, like I knew I would. I feel so good.
Fellas, let's go.
I feel so good, like I knew I would. I feel so good.
Get quiet, get quiet.
I feel so good, like I knew I would. I feel so good.
Let's go loud.
I feel so good, like I knew I would. I feel so good.
Let's get. Oh shit. Let's go. Killer Queen on me.
Y'all want it, y'all want it! Family is key.
Family is key. Yes, Brian. Killer Queen on me. Killer Queen on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Killer Queen!